I was hesitant to come. I was afraid to not have the experience that I had, that it was not going to be as good as it is, because I've had those instructors. I was worried about, hey, I've had, instructors that get paid a lot of money, and that corporate instructors. Are these instructors going to be as good as the ones I had? And they blow it away. Hi, my name is Billy England. I'm from Fort Myers, Florida. I was in an automotive dealership, one dealership for 21 years. And was a technician, heavy line technician for many of those years. Then moved into management, learned about NRVTA through YouTube, did a little bit of research, and looked into it, decided to change my life, and went to a totally different route. With my background being an automotive technician, I definitely understand the need for hands-on training. I've literally tested well over 100 furnaces and hot water heaters, and when they bug them, you're testing them. There's no way that you can do that anywhere else, or any automotive setting either. When you build the back of a refrigerator, all electronic pieces, all the wiring, learning where everything goes, that is very helpful for someone like me that learns better with their hands than sitting in a classroom. If you're thinking about coming to NRVTA, I suggest taking the chance and doing it. They have quality here, they have value here. You'll get all the information that you'll need to succeed in mobile RV service.